In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Wells Fargo account activity as a CSV spreadsheet. Before we proceed, make sure you have your Wells Fargo login credentials handy, as these are essential for accessing your account. You'll also want to have a device with internet connectivity, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Let's begin by opening up the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device or navigating to wellsfargo.com in your web browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your username and password. Keep in mind that ensuring the security of your login information is crucial. So if you experience any issues or suspicions about your security, reach out to Wells Fargo support. After successfully logging in, you should see an overview of your accounts. Click or tap on the account from which you want to download the transaction details. This could be a checking, savings, or any other account you hold with Wells Fargo. It's important to select the correct account, as this determines the data you'll be able to download. With your account selected, the next step is to locate the More Options menu. This can usually be found in the navigation bar under a tab labeled More or Statements and Documents. By selecting this, you'll have access to a range of services Wells Fargo provides for account management. In this case, we're interested in downloading your transactions. Choose Account Activity or Download Transactions from the available options. This will allow you to begin selecting the specific data you wish to export. One of the helpful features here is the ability to set a date range. Think about the time frame you're interested in. Is it the last month, the past quarter, or maybe a full year of transactions? Selecting the right date range can streamline your record keeping or analysis efforts substantially. With your date range selected, it's time to determine the file format. For ease of use and compatibility across different applications, you'll want to select CSV as your export format. A CSV file is versatile and can be opened with most spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple's Numbers. Finally, tap the download button to save your CSV file. Depending on your device's configurations, you may be prompted to choose a save location. Make sure it's somewhere easy to remember, especially if you plan to access it again soon. After downloading, you'll have a neatly organized spreadsheet of your transaction history. This file can be used for budgeting, tracking expenses, or sharing with a financial advisor. Remember to always handle your financial data with care and ensure your devices are secure. That wraps up our tutorial for today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.